You ask ChatGPT a question. It answers. Simple, right? Except that's not actually what happens. There's something else going on. Something you can't see. Before your question even reaches the AI, a hidden instruction layer springs to life. A system that shapes every single response. Silently. Invisibly. Before you even finish typing. They're called system prompts. The hidden instructions that control how AI behaves. Every time. Today, we're uncovering it all. Hidden instructions. The difference between user and system prompts. How AI behavior gets controlled. Safety guardrails. Enterprise customization. And why every AI assistant on Earth depends on them. Most people think AI is simple. You type a prompt. The AI processes it. You get a response. Clean and straightforward. That's all you see. But there's another layer. A hidden instruction layer that runs before your prompt even arrives. System prompt loads first. Then your user prompt. Then the AI processes both. Then you get your response. 2 layers. 1 answer. A system prompt defines how the AI should behave. It sets the role. It establishes the boundaries. It defines the goals. All of this happens before any user ever types a single word. Think of it as the AI's rulebook. System instructions come first. User requests come second. The system prompt guides every response. Consistent behavior. Predictable outcomes. Every single time. 2 instruction layers. 1 AI model. 1 unified response. That's the system. Both influence the response, but they have completely different jobs. The system prompt sets behavior. The user prompt makes requests. Different purposes. Different priorities. Same response pipeline. Watch what happens with the same question. Explain gravity. System prompt A says you're a teacher. You get a simple, educational response. System prompt B says you're a physicist. You get a technical, research-grade answer. Same question. Completely different behavior. Many AI assistants use system prompts to define roles. Tutor, developer assistant, research companion, support agent. Each one has specialized behavior, specialized knowledge, specialized goals, better results for users. System prompts help enforce safety. A request comes in. The guardrails evaluate it. The response goes out. Safety policies embedded. Response limits enforced. Risk reduced. Behavior controlled. Businesses customize their AI assistants with system prompts. Company policies baked in. Brand voice enforced. Internal workflows automated. Consistent behavior across every interaction. Every response aligned with business goals. Customer support teams often rely on system prompts. Support rules flow into the AI assistant. The assistant responds to customers with perfect consistency. Tone controlled. Policies enforced. Responses standardized. Better service delivered. Without system prompts, AI behavior becomes wildly inconsistent. Unpredictable. Sometimes helpful. Sometimes chaotic. But the moment system instructions load, everything stabilizes. Consistency arrives. Reliability emerges. Predictability guaranteed. Control established. Most modern AI products depend on system prompts. Chatbots, coding assistants, research tools, enterprise agents, custom assistants, specialized tools, workflow automation systems. They all use them. System prompts guide behavior, but they don't guarantee perfection. Instructions provide direction, not absolute certainty. It's imperfect control. Continuous improvement required. Here's the complete workflow. System prompt configures behavior. User prompt provides the request. The AI processes both together. The response emerges. Configure, guide, process, respond. That's the complete AI instruction pipeline. When you talk to an AI assistant, you're not just talking to a language model. You're talking to a model that's been carefully guided by invisible instructions. And those instructions, called system prompts, shape almost everything the assistant says. The tone, the knowledge, the boundaries, the personality, all of it. They're the invisible hand guiding every conversation you've ever had with AI.